ഇതൊരു ഫ്രൂട്ടാണ്. യു ക്യാൻ ഈറ്റ് ദിസ്. നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റാണ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ദർ. നോക്കിയാൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റും ചെറുതായിട്ട്. സമ്മർ ദർ. ചെറിയൊരു ഫ്രൂട്ട്. ഇത് ഇവിടുത്തെ മെയിൻ അംഗരക്ഷകനാണ്, ജെറി. ഹിസ് നെയിം ഈസ് ജെറി. നോക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലേ, ഇവൻ്റെ ഒരു കടി കിട്ടിയാൽ പിന്നെ ബാക്കി ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. വെരി വെരി ഷാർപ്പ്. ഇവിടെ ഫുള്ള് മൂപ്പരാണ് ഉഷാറാക്കണം. ജെറി, 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 ജെറി. ഇതാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ്. യു ക്യാൻ ഹാവ് ഫുഡ് ഫ്രം ഹിയർ. ഇപ്പോൾ 3:30 ആവാൻ പോകുന്നു. സോ വിൽ ബി ഹാവിങ് ദ ലഞ്ച്. ഈവനിങ് ടൈമാണ്, പക്ഷെ ലഞ്ചാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ മോർണിംഗ് ഈസ് ഓൾറെഡി ഓവർ. മോർണിംഗ് ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ഓവർ. There you can see the great looking mountains with a lot of greenery. So it's taken right from our hotel, like a landscape greenery where I can see. And these are all sitting areas where I can see sitting small hut like sitting areas. And for a family you can sit here. It's a little big, and there you can see people are sitting inside the hut, and lot of entertainment. You can go for walk, and you can do a lot of things here. And there you can see a lot of flowers also, beautiful flowers arranged, and as it is, it looks so beautiful. He is my friend, David D'Souza. He is from Mangalore.
Now in Abu Dhabi.
Now in Abu Dhabi, working as an insurance broker, and free to talk to anyone in concern with insurance.
Yes, of course.
He is ready to help you.
24/7.
Yeah, 24/7, having more than 15 years experience.
Yes.
So, very good, charming person. See, this is something unique which you will not find anywhere in the hotel. If you wash your cloth, you can put it like this. It is very very unique here, and no problem at all for putting your clothing after washing to dry it off. Now I'm going to show you some good flowers, which is very unique and beautiful, and looking so beautiful, and natural flowers. And you will see only in Armenia, and this kind of flowers. I don't know whether it will grow in other countries. I'm just showing you some beautiful flowers. Here comes our hotel where we are staying, Alik Hotel. On the front side, front gate is here like this, and here also you will see a lot of flowers. People are very much interested in gardening, and that's why the ambience is so beautiful. And here you will see the flowers. I'll give you a close-up look. See how beautiful the flowers have been arranged. There's a person, gardener, who is doing his job, cutting it and making it clean hotel. So people are playing their volleyball, and these are all sitting places where you can sit and relax your time. There is no issue. Russian, Armenian, Indian, all are sitting and enjoying the day, the light, the evening. And I'm just going to give you some small glimpse of a play where they are doing it. Oh, they lost it. There also you will see a lot of clothes are getting dried. So he's going to pass it. Wow, he lost it. That's how it happens. I'm going to give you a glimpse of green apple, which is very, very famous, very much available everywhere, and even for you to buy, for you to take it, you can take it. So you can eat it. It's so good to eat. And small trees with a lot of apples you are seeing here. Even if it is small, still you will see the apples are too much getting grown here. At this condition, I think this climate is very, very good for people. That is maybe the reason it is freely available. And for guests, they're keeping that water tank ready here. And the water is always available. No problem at all. This is also a sitting place where you can spend your leisure time. Here you will see lots and lots of apples are grown properly to have it. See how beautiful these plants are. I'm still taking you to some other places where the trees, everything is there. So there is no need to go out. Still, you can enjoy your leisure time here itself. See, there's a very common tree. I think it is alpine tree. I'm not sure. I will check and get back to you. And it is very common in almost all places you will see. Here also you will see a different variety of fruits which is getting ready. I'll take one. Let's see whether it is good or not. Everything is great, and we have really enjoyed every bit moment here since coming on 14th of July 2021. And you will see the old building as well, which is just kept it as a shed for the construction, those things and all. They keep it there. People are there. And he is our pet. Hi, I call him Tommy. Hi Tommy, how are you? He is very naughty. You don't mind. And this is a front view of Halik Hotel. And he is coming to me. See, he is very, very naughty. And he likes to play with people. And he stays here for a long period. I asked them. They said he is here for long years. And he is very lovable character. That's all, my dear. So I'll wind it up, and you will see the houses, and the roofs are different, and it is not seen in our country, and not much concrete is there. They are using a different kind of tiles, I believe, and it is looking so good. And maybe this is a house of somebody's. They made it so beautiful. Hi, my dear. How are you? Everybody used to give food for him, so he stays here. Those who are coming guests, everybody. And then it's a different variety of skin he is having, and protecting from all kind of climate, cold climate, I believe. And the paddy field, like a landscape, I believe. It's kind of landscape with the mountains, with blue sky, blue sky. Everything is there. So, thank you, my dear. So, that's all for the day. Thanks a lot for watching it.